On behalf of Boomplay, Madam, she said this place is the hot summer for you like this. So give me this fan anywhere where you go. You get it. Please let me snap. On behalf of Boomplay, we present this movable, rechargeable, original fan for you. Not the Caprice Cooks coming. Thank you very much. In the last, I want to do this myself, and there's a reason why I choose to do this very quickly myself. Don't be in a hurry. We're leaving, like I said, but all the guys are coming. 5 minutes, 7 minutes, we are done, and then we are gone. Okay, I'll do this very quickly. In the last years, I've had an encounter with many people in life, but one of the persons that I've had an encounter with, and has always been there for me, supporting me. In fact, I was told on one of the occasions that names were written out, sent to him for approval for an event in the church. When he looked through the names, he did not see my name. He asked, why is my name not inclusive in that list? That action really touched me. Someone told me, I'm sure you don't even know that they don't carry the expo, not tell me, but they say, what do you do for Father when he likes you like this? Ladies and gentlemen, it's my great privilege and joy to invite to the podium no other person. Please put your hands in. Let's stand. Let's give a standing ovation.
John and Mary to receive this humble award of Lifetime Achievement Icon is a recognition to your ever-supportive role in building leadership.
Now. And don't forget, Mr. Talk is coming in shortly after him. Then we have Mikoyo, and then we have my guy is going to do the music for us, and then I think we'll call it a day from there. Put your hands together, ladies and gentlemen, as a big welcome, one of Nigerian finest. One of Nigerian finest. I said, put your hands together. Come on, clap. He's an entertainer par excellence. He's traveled out of this country. He's an international icon. He's a living legend. This one, they don't take. We were growing up watching Fuji out of commotion and the likes, and he's still standing. And today he's over 50 years of age, oh, this small boy. Come on, let's welcome my brother, my friend, Praise God. I said, Mona, praise God. Are you happy to be here? Are you sure? Okay. My colleagues have performed. They don't go. They don't leave me. Ladies and gentlemen, you need somebody like me who is propagating your esoteric cogitations or articulating your superficial sentimentalities and amicable philosophical or super psychedelic observations that will take cognizance of platitudinous ponderosity. Someone whose conversational communications possess a clarified consciousness, coalescent consistency, and a concatenated cogency. Someone who will ensure all conglomeration of flatulent garrulousness, genuine moment and personal affectations. Although it is not an unmitigated and preposterous insinuation to make, put in a modern balance what a mundane pedestrian low-born oil solid solely inhabits your carcass. Or you can simply say that is a business hopelessly detached conventions document of no less impending doom, perpetrated by a hopeless nomenclature practically adopted human being. Everything I have just said in a nutshell is good evening.
Thank you.
I won't collect blessing before I continue. Amen. Father, okay, most of continue. No. At the count of 3, Father will show school fees. 1, 2, 3. You said? You said? When I don't answer that one, let me ask you another question. Please. writing?
US. US.
When I give you better answer now. US. Police they go. My friend of police, I beg. That's your go. Hey! I was coming down to Ikeja this evening and I saw a friend of mine who was trying to chime in me. The two things he said to the girl is this simple. He looked at the girl, fine girl! What do you do example? Hi, what a fine girl. Please, can I have your phone? I want to call God and tell him that I found this missing angel. Then he looked at another guy and said, fine girl. Do you know that my phone stopped working? And the girl asked and said, why? I said, because your number is not on it. See vibes. He don't, no they fear. Now fear, they fear, he don't. In or in. Oh, you don't happen. Hey, somebody's calling me, please. Buhari is calling me. Hello? No, if you don't believe me, I'll put it on speaker.
Put it on speaker.
What's the question?
I tell you.
Put it on speaker.
No, my Buhari, I'm not joking. If I lie, make a play there. Okay, sorry, it's not Buhari. It's not Buhari. Okay, now somebody talked about Hilda. You know Hilda cook food 4 days, break record. He goes in, they cook food for man when you break your heart. Before I go, because time don't go. Please, if your clothes are made of cocoyam leaves, don't make friends with goats. The friend you think is taking the bullet for you might be the person behind the trigger. Do not treat people like a pinch of salt and expect them to carry you like a bag of rice. Don't jump the fence for somebody who cannot jump the gutter for you. Yeah. Do you know that it is only in Nigeria mosquito will dey bite person inside hospital where they treat malaria? No, na lie. Now, when it comes to relationships, I ask myself, I said, why would a man spend 500,000 naira for introduction? Spend 5 million naira for wedding, 1.5 million naira for honeymoon. Then they go break up in marriage because of 4 naira text. I'm not making sense, am I? When I was in primary 4, 1962. And what I talk 1962. You get this kind of songs all this in that time for school. Sorry, if you don't know the song, just listen. Most of us know the songs. But if you know the song, sing. If you don't know it, just walk. There are 2 classes, Ajebo and Ajabako. Ajebako different, Ajebo different. Ajebo songs goes like this. 10 green bottles standing on the wall. 10 green bottles standing on the wall. If 1 green bottle should accidentally fall, that's 9 green bottles standing on the wall. If you are Ajebako like me, we will stay there like Folago, Yano Paja, Dimu, Ajebule Cemetery, Ogogo, Ajambati, Shiri. Song goes like this. My name, Amuregechi. My name, Amuregechi. My name is Papa B. Amuregechi. I come from Ogogo. Amuregechi, Amuregechi. I said, you mommy, don't come. I buy Gary for taking. I give Mary to Kuka. Mary Kuka, she no green. I beat Mary, she no cry. I give Mary, she no die. Which can Mary be this? So, Amina Toro.
Emmanuel, I was born body go, kiss man, baby pepe, waka wogo, su pepe, baby salsa, wherever you go, whoever you see, do not say yes when you need to say no.